In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MACD in Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll have the Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator visible on your chart and tuned to your preferences, so you can start analyzing momentum and potential trend shifts with confidence. First, make sure you're using Thinkorswim Desktop and head to the Charts tab. This is where all of your price action and technical studies live. Load the symbol you want to analyze by typing it into the symbol box at the top. Something like a widely traded stock works great for practice. Give the chart a moment to populate so you're working with up-to-date data. Now let's add the MACD. At the top of the chart area, click the Studies button. It's the chemical flask icon. From the menu, choose Add Study. A window will open with a search bar. Type MACD into the search box, and you'll see MACD appear in the list of available studies. Select it and click Add Selected, or simply double-click it to place it on your chart. You should see a new panel appear, typically below the price chart, showing the MACD line, the signal line, and a histogram that visualizes the difference between those two lines. To fine-tune the settings, look in the Added Studies list for MACD and click the gear icon next to it. This opens the settings window. Here's what each parameter controls. Fast length, which defaults to 12, is the shorter exponential moving average used in the MACD calculation. Slow length, default 26, is the longer exponential moving average. The MACD length, default 9, is the exponential moving average applied to the MACD line itself to create the signal line. The average type is typically set to exponential, which is standard for MACD and helps the indicator respond more quickly to recent price changes. You can also adjust colors and visual styles for the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram to improve readability against your chart's background. If you're unsure where to start, the default values of 12, 26, and 9 are the classic settings used by many traders. Brighter, contrasting colors can make crossovers and histogram shifts easier to spot at a glance. When you're satisfied with your choices, click OK, then click Apply to see the changes reflected on your chart. That's it. Your MACD is now set up in Thinkorswim. Take a moment to observe how the lines and histogram move with price. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime as your analysis evolves.